Meaning of fraud.
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 Fraud. Fraud refers to the act of intentionally deceiving others in order to obtain financial or personal gain. This can include activities such as embezzlement, bribery, insider trading, identity theft, and false advertising. The consequences of fraud can be severe, including legal action, fines, and even imprisonment. In addition to the financial losses suffered by victims of fraud, the damage to reputation and trust can also be devastating. It is important for individuals and businesses to take measures to prevent and detect fraud in order to protect themselves and their assets.